So I would like to show off in this video the new display stand that I've designed and 3D printed for my big city robot, aka Metroplex. So here it is, all complete with two locations for his feet, and they click into place. There's the 5mm pegs on either side. There's a ramp here that folds up, and there is a detail elevator shaft. It goes all the way to the top. It's molded detail on all three sides. At the base there is an entrance to the elevator shaft with some control panels here, and I also have LED lighting. So let me take off the background light here so we can see how that looks. That's how the LED lighting looks in there. You can easily fit a figure up to 3 inches tall in here. Can accommodate your Dr. Wu figures. And this stand allows, so the way Metroplex's feet click in here, and this area up here, his crotch sits in here, so this will prevent him from accidentally falling over if you want to put him in a static display. This will be available on CG Trader as an optional purchase to go with Metroplex. I will have this up on CG Trader this weekend for sale. So here we have Metroplex with the display base installed. This is how they look together. And I gave it an industrial style look, as I thought that would suit this big city former. And his feet, they click into place down there. They can't slide out of those positions. The 5mm pegs hold them in place, and his crotch is firmly seated here at the top. And you've got your little elevator here with the molded in detail. And this display base will hold him in a perfect standing position. It prevents his ankles and knees from bending, and his hips, but we also have hip locks here that would prevent that. And the stand works quite well. Like if I take Metroplex here and I engage his ab crunch, like I bring him forward, he's not going to fall over. And that's quite a bit of weight leaning forward here. If we can see that, that's a lot of weight. So the stand does its job, and it does its job well. And I think, at least in my opinion, that it goes good with him, especially as a display piece. And here we have just a quick look around the back to see how it looks like from behind. No kibble here at all. You see it sticks out from the back a little bit here to give a nice large base. Anyways, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.